Here's the completed 331 engine for the 52 Cadillac. Completely rebuilt the heads, stainless steel valves and seals, all new gaskets, Petronics unit in the distributor, rebuilt carb, and much, much more.
Here's the dual brake booster up in here, tucked away. And again, there's no hood springs on it, so we got our trusty post. God, it's quiet.
Yeah, we've just finished polishing up the paint on the driver's side. So now we're gonna flip it around and do the passenger side.
So my neighbor Brandon and I, we cut and buffed the paint on the 52 Eureka Cadillac yesterday. You know, it took us about 2 hours just to do a quick little, give us a quick preview of what the paint could look like. So it's not done yet, but it looks a hell of a lot better. I mean, I can see my reflection in it now, so that's pretty good compared to what it was. She's looking good. I think that paint's gonna hold up nicely. And we will be keeping the original paint on here. Not too bad. There's a couple spots we missed. But again, this is just to see what kind of quality we can get out of that paint. Not bad at all.
If you've been following the restoration of this car, you'll remember that this is what it looked like when I got it. So with the new wood-framed doors and the rebuilt engine, power steering and dual power brakes, it's come a long way, and now with its buffed out original paint, it looks way more presentable. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.